right, let us get centering elements. Man, it used to be so hard to center an element in CSS. I'm going to do the old method and then show you the new super easy method. So basically the old method used to be when you set the parent to relative and the child to absolute, and then you added a bunch of stuff on there. So let's just chuck this. This is the old one here. We're just going to put parent, and then our new one, we're going to put child. And this is what we used to have to do. So the parent element used to have relative in it. Let's put a div here and then go class parent. And then within this, you'd put another div called child, which is just the child of that main parent element. And then this here will actually be centered. But look at all this stuff that we had to put in there. You put position absolute, and then this parent had to have relative in it. And this one had to have top 50, left 50, and then you had to transform and translate to -50 and -50%. What a pain is that? And then you've got your X right in the middle. And the new fast way of doing this, there was actually a flex one, which was good as well, but the very newest one is now when we set the parent to grid. So instead of that, we just put parent grid, place item center, and we can get rid of all of this. So you've only got display grid, place item center, and then set it a height. And there it is there. So how easy is that now? So all you need, display grid, place item center, and you're done. So it gets rid of that much code. Crazy. And there you go. That's how you center items the easy way.